who you know can get $300 worth of product for $100? Me. But let's get into it.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitize, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pointing to the people that point to you, because life is so short. $300 worth of product. Y'all see the title. That is why we are here today. Now, how you may ask? Y'all know I love makeup. We've been getting into our girly things, our girly bag. So judge not, lest you be the judge. Let's start there. I order on DoorDash from Ulta and Sephora.
All of this is so humiliating and so embarrassing.
I do it from time to time when I don't have time to go to the store. So I'm scrolling in the DoorDash app, going through the different things that I was gonna buy, and I come across this. But this was on Wednesday, July 23rd. Wednesday only. Get $50 off Sephora orders 100 plus. Who not gonna take advantage of that? That's like a 50% off deal. Oh, that's a thunder. A 50% off deal. Count me in. So my first order was this one. So after I placed my order, I realized that's a good deal. Let me order something else. That's this order. This one was scheduled to be delivered because I did these orders before Sephora opened. I think they opened at like 11 or 12. So I had to schedule these orders. So schedule these orders. The second order that I placed came first, oddly enough. Then the first order came. But when the first order came, I opened it up because it felt heavy. And it's a bag of somebody else's order. So I immediately reported it to DoorDash. And they gave me my money back. So when they gave me my money back, I went back and ordered what I was supposed to have. But that's how I ended up with $300 worth of product for $100, because 50, 50, and then the order that they sent me on accident. And if this is your order, I am so sorry. Girl, you got some perfume, so you should be good. And you could have got your money back as well. So first order that I received, $50 off of 100, is this Valentino Coral Fantasy. I done took the plastic off, y'all, because I was so thirsty to put it on. So thirsty to put it on. It smells so good. I love it. It is pouring down. That's what I have on now. It was $100. It says on here $100, but I only paid $50 for it because it was a coupon code through DoorDash. And my second order, I ordered like some things that I need and a couple of things that I have been eyeing. Fenty, what is it? Matte contour stick. It's a soft amber, but it was given like a, almost a glow, like a highlight. Yeah, I might have to take this back because this is not what I thought it was. I thought I was getting a highlight stick. And this ain't highlighting. This is a little white. This is the wrong thing. Okay. Yeah, but what I was going for was the highlight stick. I used the powder highlight that they have and put it on there, but I saw that they had a highlight in a stick. So that's what I want. So I gotta take this back. I got the one size setting powder, but I got the pink one, the ultra pink. I've been wanting to try this pink setting powder because I love that pink finish under the eyes. And I've been seeing it with the UK girly, so definitely a must that I try. I can't wait to put my makeup on and try this pink setting powder. Ooh, shit was just thinking about it. And then I also got some concealer. The two concealers that I use all the time. The Amandi, that's the one I use that blends in perfectly with my skin. And then I have the Caramel, that's the one that I do the highlight with under my eyes. And my brows to sculpt. Now let's get into the goodies that I got on accident. So let's see what we got, Miss Girl. And I did try to look her up on Facebook as well, could not find her. But she spent, how much she spent? I don't even know. But she got a couple things. It's a Baby Bake from Huda Beauty. Now, let's see. Now, I know Huda is that girl, but I don't know nothing about this powder. Oh, it's in peach pie. Okay. This will be cute for under the eyes. I'm assuming that whomever it was that placed this order, she's a brown girly because of the concealer that she ordered. She also ordered, what is this? Haus Labs by Lady Gaga concealer, and the concealer is brown. And it actually looks like the concealer that I use. It might be a match, actually. Let's see. Almost. But I can definitely put some use to that. Thanks, girl. She also ordered, oh, this is brow lamination gel from Patrick. I thought it was mascara, so I was just like, but this is actually brow lamination gel, so I'm excited to try that. And then she also ordered this cream and powder blush from Patrick as well. Ooh. Now how you get it open? Oh, there we go. Ooh. So this is She's Vibrant. So it's like a peachy pink kind of color. This is really pretty. Can't wait to try that either. Thanks, girl. If this is your order, let me know down in the comments. And let me know if you got your money back or you kept that perfume, or if you did both, kind of like I did. But let me know down in the comments, y'all. Did y'all take advantage of the Sephora DoorDash deal where you get the $50 off of $100 or more? Let me know down in the comments what you got and if you took advantage of it. If you have any of the ones that I purchased on today, or even if you know what I'm talking about with that Fenty highlighter stick, let me know down in the comments. Make sure that y'all like this video. Make sure, most importantly, that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. So I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for your love and for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love.